How to fix GCash not opening. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video by App Hacks, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the GCash app not opening. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step is you'll need to head over to your App Store to make sure that your GCash is up to date. So open up your App Store. And after you open up your App Store, simply search for GCash. After you search for GCash, just make sure that there is no update available. If there is, simply tap on the update button to update it. Now, after you've updated GCash, what you'll need to do is simply head back here and then try opening GCash. If it still is not open, head over to your settings. After you open up your settings, simply head over to General. Under General, head over to iPhone Storage. And after you're on iPhone storage, you will need to search for GCash. So simply find GCash and open it up. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to offload the app to make sure that all the caches are cleared. So simply tap on offload, and after you offload the app, simply tap on reinstall to reinstall the app. Now after doing that, your problem should get fixed. But if it does not get fixed, what you will need to do is you will need to completely uninstall the app. Now simply delete the app and reinstall it, and after you reinstall it, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is how you fix the problem, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.